Suspended CG of Ekurhuleni, head of legal service, Kemi Behari, has been arrested by Political Killings Task Team. According to sources familiar with the matter, Behari was taken into custody on Wednesday afternoon shortly after attending his disciplinary hearing. Investigators are expected to provide further details as the case unfolds. The arrest marks another significant development in the ongoing probe that has already led to several high-profile detentions linked to the city of Ekurhuleni and its Metropolis Department. Kemi Behari, who served as the city of Ekurhuleni head of legal and risk, was placed on precautionary suspension with full pay in December 2025 following testimony at the Matlanga Commission. Witnesses alleged that he played a role in protecting suspended Ekurhuleni Metropolis Department EMPD Deputy Chief Julius Mkhwanazi from disciplinary action. The allegations center on claims that Behari helped block or weaken disciplinary processes against Mkhwanazi after the latter was linked to controversial dealings, including the fitting of blue lights on vehicles belonging to businessman Vusimuzi Matlala. These actions were said to have happened with the involvement of other senior officials, including then City Manager Imogen Mashazi and Head of Human Resources Linda Xasheka. Behari appeared before the Matlanga Commission and faced tough cross-examination. During his testimony, he admitted to certain shortcomings, including issues around correspondence with the Independent Police Investigating Directorate and the handling of a disciplinary case against Mkhwanazi. He acknowledged that there was clearly an intention to send a critical letter to IPID, but admitted he never followed up properly. The Matlanga Commission's interim findings identified prima facie evidence against several individuals, including Behari. President Cyril Ramaphosa later confirmed that 14 names, including Behari's, had been referred to police for criminal investigation. In February 2026, the city of Ekurhuleni formally served Behari and Xasheka with charge sheets relating to their alleged roles in shielding Mkhwanazi from accountability. The municipality accused them of undermining disciplinary processes and failing in their oversight duties. Behari denied wrongdoing in his testimony and argued that his actions were aimed at ensuring proper legal processes rather than protecting any individual. However, the Commission and the city proceeded with their actions based on the evidence presented. Police arrested Behari as part of the broader investigation stemming from Matlanga Commission. The arrest is linked to allegations of misconduct and possible criminal conduct in how disciplinary matters were handled within the city of Ekurhuleni, particularly those involving Mkhwanazi. The development follows earlier arrest of Julius Mkhwanazi and former city manager Kagiso Lerutla, who were detained on charges including fraud, corruption, defeating the ends of justice, and impersonation. Those cases are also connected to the Matlanga probe. Authorities have indicated that more arrests linked to the same investigation are expected in the coming days and weeks. The probe is focusing on a network of alleged wrongdoing involving senior officials, procurement irregularities, and interference in police disciplinary matters. The arrest of a senior legal head like Behari sends a strong message about accountability in local government. Residents of Ekurhuleni have long complained about poor service delivery, corruption, and a lack of consequences for officials who fail in their duties. Meanwhile, suspended EMPD Acting Chief Julius Mkhwanazi, former Ekurhuleni city manager Imogen Mashazi, and 2 former senior municipal officials are all set to appear in the Germiston Magistrates Court on Thursday. The arrest followed an overnight operation by the Commission's Recommendations Task Team, which targeted 4 suspects facing allegations of fraud, corruption, and defeating the ends of justice. Also arrested were suspended City of Ekurhuleni Legal Service, Kemi Behari, and former Human Resources Head Linda Xasheka. Mkhwanazi, already out on 30,000 rand bail in a separate case linked to Ekurhuleni Municipal Manager Kagiso Lerutla, is expected to join the others in the dock. The arrest come amid explosive testimony before the Matlanga Commission, where witness alleged Behari failed for years to act on findings against Mkhwanazi, allowing disciplinary proceedings to stall. The commission also had allegations that Behar and Gqasheka received irregular salary increases worth about 600,000 rand in return for allegedly ensuring Mkhwanazi's disciplinary case disappeared. Former Municipal Employees Relations Head Ola Nzinza testified that the disciplinary action against Mkhwanazi was unexpectedly halted in 2023. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.